we shall discuss about the tumor lysis syndrome, definition and the grading. Now, coming on to the definition of the tumor lysis syndrome, it is a syndrome of events which are caused by the breakdown of large number of cancer cells which result in release of potassium, phosphates and nucleic acids into the systemic circulation. It usually occurs after initiation of a cytotoxic chemotherapy, especially in high-grade tumors like hematological malignancies. The definition of tumor lysis syndrome given by Cairo Bishop in 2004 includes laboratory parameters and clinical parameters. The laboratory things definition is based on serum uric acid, serum calcium, serum potassium, and serum phosphorus. It is defined as two or more abnormal serum values within 3 days before or 7 days after initiation of a chemotherapy in a setting of adequate hydration and use of hypouricemic agent. Pardon me, this is a mistake. It's not hypoglycemic agent, it is an hypouricemic agent. Whereas clinical TLS includes lab TLS plus one of the following, which are serum creatinine more than 1.5 times the upper normal limit, or cardiac arrhythmias, sudden death, or seizures. The lab parameters of serum uric acid, calcium, potassium, and phosphorus, the cutoffs are, it is based on either the baseline value or an absolute value. With respect to the baseline value, serum uric acid increase of 25% or absolute value more than 8 milligram per deciliter is considered feature of tumor lysis syndrome. When it comes to calcium, it is the only parameter which reduces by 25% or an absolute value less than 7 milligram per deciliter. Whereas serum potassium, it is increased by 25% or more than 6 milliequivalents per liter. Serum phosphorus increase more than 25% or absolute value more than 6 milligram per deciliter in children or 4.5 milligram per deciliter in adults. Coming on to the grading system of TLS, it is based on the complications. 1. Serum creatinine. 2. Cardiac arrhythmias, and the 3 is the seizures. Each one is graded into 5 grades: 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Serum creatinine, that is less than 1.5 times the upper level of normal, is grade 0. 1.5 to 1.5, again it's grade 1. 1.5 to 3, it's grade 2. 3 to 6 is times the upper limit of normal, that is grade 3. More than 6 times the upper limit of normal is grade 4, and grade 5 is defined as death. With respect to cardiac arrhythmias, grade 0 is no arrhythmias. Grade 1 is no intervention is required even if arrhythmias are present. Grade 2 is medical intervention is required. Grade 3, which is not controlled by medical intervention and you may require device control. Grade 4 is life-threatening arrhythmias, and grade 5 is death. With respect to seizures, grade 0 is no seizures, grade 1 is no seizures, grade 2 is either one generalized episode of generalized seizure, or infrequent motor seizures, or the seizures which are well controlled by the medicines. Coming on to the grade 3, that is seizures associated with altered consciousness or poorly controlled seizures. Grade 4 is status epilepticus and grade 5 is